Alright. So we started a new realm, and going for this insane giant freestyle survival build mansion sort of thing. And I'm just gonna try and upload bits and pieces of updates and shit when I'm done. So yeah, this is part 1 and shit. So yeah, see you in part 2. Okay, so another update. I just recently finished the roof, or most of the roof, that is. So if you come up here, I extended these things out 1 block. I kind of just threw this together, and this is here temporarily just so I can navigate. And yeah, this is it from the back. That's what I got so far. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do all the exterior touch-up work, and I'll come back whenever I'm done with doing all the exterior on the house, that is. Alright, so here's another update. I have officially finished all of my exterior on the outside and the trim, so I can finally start doing my interior. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick little rundown of what all I did. I went through well over 12 stacks of stone so far, just on the trim alone. However, it does feel worth it. And it took me quite some time. It's been about, I think, well over like 16 or 17 hours since the previous cut, because I've done some things in between. But I think it looks pretty nice, you know? Yeah, I definitely like this. Here's the back. So yeah, I might just leave that one enclosed stone that chilled right there by itself. Just let it do its thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of all of the scaffolding, and I'll actually just cut it back when I'm done. So here we are. That's like with all that stupid scaffolding. I removed it all. So just one last bit of a look, and I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out. Like, I'm not gonna lie, whenever I first got the roof done, these walls were so flat, and it kind of had me nervous. But I definitely feel like that I got it to look nicer, for sure. Here's this little area. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to work on the interior, and I will get you guys back with an update. Alright guys, and we are back with another update. Alright, so it's been about roughly 2.5 days since the last cut, and I've actually done a little bit of work on the interior. I was a little bit busy over the past couple days with we went off on like a trying to go find a woodland mansion. It was like well over, like, I think 10,000, like, no, not even, no, it was like 12,000 blocks all the way, and we were out there for a bit. But I have done some interior work. I have to say, I don't know how I feel about this part. I don't know. I was really torn on what to do with this little area, because like I don't know. Whenever I'm building like this, or I'm just like putting stuff like off the top of my head, I destroy a lot and repeat and shit. And yeah, I constantly go back and forth until I get something. And so yeah, in this little area, bro, look, I added a freaking an aquarium right here on my floor. I figured that'd be pretty cool. I threw some rug or whatever. I don't know. I really like this new block. The strip block, man, those are pretty cool. And I don't quite know what I'm going to do with this room yet. I'm still debating on what I should do with it. I really don't quite know. I'm thinking maybe a bathroom or a staircase to lead into the basement. I don't quite know yet. I added an enchantment table and I added more fish. I figured why not. Yeah, I have an enchantment room because the anvil and shit, and then I just like a little living room. I got a fish tank, some curtains, and then I threw together a nice little mini room that I'm sleeping in right now. And if we go upstairs, I don't want to have oh wait, hold on a second. Yeah, over here I have the kitchen I threw together. They made me mad with the new changes to the item frame. I used to be able to throw an item frame and then a red piece of wool for like hot water and stuff, and it looked pretty cool, but I can't quite do that anymore. And I didn't really have any ideas for the kitchen off the top of my head, so I just kind of threw some stuff together. These both work, which is pretty cool, I guess. Oh yeah. Huh. And if we go upstairs, actually, I have not done too much up here. I've gotten this bedroom, just about it, and then up here is an entrance I'm gonna have leading to the attic, essentially. So yeah, if you come over here, I still have done nothing really, nothing hardly at all. So yeah. I'll see you guys in the next little update. Alright, so we are back and with another update. So far I've done quite a bit of work on the interior. Oh shit, that's the wrong way. I'm pretty sure I showed this in the last part, the fucking kitchen. But as far as upstairs, right? So it's been quite a few days since the last cut. I'm pretty sure it's been at least like let me check real quick. It's been a solid amount of days has passed. Yeah, it's been about 5 days since the last cut, and I've been slowly at work at it. I don't quite remember all what I've shown in here before, but I do know that that's actually the wrong fucking way. So I know in the last part, I was down here and I was showing off this little area. Okay, yeah, I know. This room's still not done, but these rooms over here are done. This is my little bedroom, just like a little guest bedroom, purely for decorative reasons. And this, I don't know what to put for right here. I don't know what to put. Like, I am like really stumped with putting something right there for a shelf, so I'm just letting that bitch hang on top of the little trap drawer. And over here, I didn't know what to do for here, so I just kind of threw together a storage room, for fuck's sakes. Obviously, this is not going to be my main storage room. This is just, once again, for decorative purposes. And over here, I don't know what I'm going to do with this room either. Yeah, there's still a lot of rooms I don't know what I'm going to do with. It's really hard building a house in survival mode completely off the top of your head, so you don't know what your house is going to look like in advance. That's why I'm taking my time very slowly when doing this thing, because of how annoying it can be, putting something up, destroying it, repeat until I find something I like. So here is another thing I've added. I added another fish tank. I thought this would be a perfect little addition right here. As you can see, that's the same glass on the floor we were just on, so you can kind of look up and see through into the other aquarium over here. And then over here, this is just a nice little a decorative little area I put in here. I was really going for a lot of aquatic features with this house because of the new aquatic update we did get recently. And yeah, so that's why there is so much water here. And then right here you can see that there's clearly glowstone. I'm using that for lighting because I don't want to have too many torches around. And then over here, I just started working on this room. I'm just kind of throwing stuff together in here. I didn't really do too much on it last night, but what I did do is, if we come up here, we're going to come into my bedroom. Right now up here, I basically threw together like a tent sort of in my attic, right? Because when I first started on here, my temporary little house basically was a tent, and I figured I would say fuck it, and I threw another tent up here, which from down there there's actually not an entrance to, and when I'm completely done, you're not even gonna know that this room exists unless you go up that waterfall. and yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, so that'll be it for this part. I'll come back at you guys, and then whenever I get some more update done. Okay, and we are back with yet again another update. This one is about 2 days from the last cut, and I can safely say that this is that I have all of my rooms done, and that the entire interior is officially done. So without further ado, let's actually give you a tour throughout the house. Whoops. Obviously in here, this is the first area that I did. This is like a little living room area, you know, got the couch, little, just a nice, another like little, I guess you could say, spare bedroom, enchanting area with some aquatic features. As you can see, there's a fish over there. This room, I'll be used for later, something else. Obviously right here, this is a little fish tank that I put in the floor. I don't know, I like it a lot. I think it looks great there. Back door, duh. Over here's the kitchen. Nothing too crazy. These do work actually, but I don't feel like showing. Come up here, upstairs. The only thing, I might do a little like touching up on this later, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Over here, I did put another fish tank here as well. Over here, we have a bathroom, toilet. I just kind of put like that as a mirror across the hall. You know, we got a little shower. Then over here, we have like a nice little relax area. You got a pool table. Those are supposed to be those armor stands are supposed to be pool cues. Over here, you know, you got some coffee mugs, some dispensers, lighting, sofa, coffee mug, you know, fish tank. This is just a cosmetic room. Yes, there's a fish above you. We have it's just a junk that I have in this chest. Then over here, this is just a little closet. Over here is another bedroom with 3 beds. Yeah, I know, I made it pink because I figured, fuck it, that's supposed to be a bit of a TV. I kind of like the TV. I thought that was a nice little thing to add right there. You know, you're looking up. I don't know, I kind of like that. And then over here we have another bedroom, just nice little cozy little area. And then over here, if we go up the ladder, we have another hallway. This can get broken. I don't need it here anymore. This is a nice little cozy area. Then over here, we come down the hallway. We come into this area. Now this is a room. You know, just have some seats, table, nice little another table, and basically this leads to my nether portal that I got. Really nice view of everything from over here. I like it, I gotta say. Over here we have another giant fish tank, because why not, you know what I'm saying. Over here got this, I didn't know what to put for here, to be brutally honest. It's kind of hard whenever I have this whole thing I'm going for with like a fish tank in the roof and in the floor on the same block. So I just kind of threw this down. Got another bed here. This is another room, you know. This is a real nice cozy room. Just a little TV, sofa. Just a chill room to relax, kick back in. Then up here we have my room. So yeah, this is my bed. As you can see, it's pretty cool. And then over here, if I just flick this lever, we have this area. And then I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with this room, honestly. That I can think of is the exterior of the house itself, and then I'll probably do some minor like touch-ups later on down the road. But as far as that will basically wrap things up, finishing off my freestyle survival mansion. So yeah, guys, I'll probably make another video when I get like the exterior of this house and area finished. I'll probably make another like maybe exterior video or something. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap up everything. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. This video did take me a while to make, Took me the house overall since I started this project took roughly about 3.5 weeks from beginning of this video to now. So yeah guys, hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did, please feel free to drop me a rating, and please tell me your opinions down in the comment section below. This has been Krib, guys. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.